The purpose of this video is to teach you how to change your wax guard. The wax guard is there in order to catch extra wax and prevent the wax from traveling into the hearing aid. Step number one is to simply remove the dome by pulling the dome off. Hopefully, if you by accident rip the dome, you will have an extra dome at home. If you do not have an extra dome at home, just call our office and we will send one to you. This demonstration is particular for Oticon hearing aids. The dome has been removed and you can see the white piece, which is considered the wax guard. On this disc, and it says Oticon, you pull out the black semicircle, like so. You will see an empty piece and you will see a new white wax guard. You use the empty piece to remove the old wax guard, just like that. You use your finger to brush any extra wax, and then you put the fresh wax guard back on, like that. Then you put the dome on. There's a little lip. You slip the lip over the wax guard. It's not always easy, and it takes a little bit of practice. And the hearing aid should look like that. So there's a fresh wax guard. Each wax guard should be changed. Each hearing aid's wax guard should be changed at about 4 months. Keep in mind that if your hearing aid stops working and you've put a fresh battery, or if you have a rechargeable battery and you have charged the battery, if the hearing aid is not working, likely it is the wax guard that is clogged with wax. So the first thing you do is change the battery or make sure you recharge the battery. If the hearing aid is still not working, you change the wax guard. This is a different company. It comes with a wax guard that looks like it's in a match box or a matchstick. You open it up and it looks like a black stick. When you pull it out, there is a new wax guard on the bottom. You can pull off the dome, just as I've done. You can either use your fingernail to take off that little white piece, which is considered the wax guard, or you can use the other side of the new wax guard. So you've got a fresh wax guard here, and you've got nothing here. I'm going to use the other side to pull off the wax guard. That's the old wax guard. I then use my finger to brush it, and I turn it around, and I put the new wax guard in. When the new wax guard has been placed, you throw out the old wax guard and the stick. You then add the dome. There's a lip, and you stick it in, and it looks like this.